Hey guys, what's going on? We have an Ecom Wolfpack coaching program student. What was your main reasoning about getting into e-commerce? Like, what was your why?
I'm a personal trainer, fitness coach, and I've been doing this since 2015. When I have my own clients and my own business, I was always looking to generate another income stream. I really believe that online business and e-commerce is the best way.
What has your experience been like so far in the program?
Honestly, amazing. I can talk about it for like hours.
What would you tell someone who's considering, joining the Ecom Wolfpack coaching program?
Do it, It's very simple. So I recommend Ecom Wolfpack because when you join this program, you will get all the tools and necessary things to build your business. So don't hesitate because we have a great community, we have great coaches. Everything is prepared. It's up to you. If you want to do something, this is the best place to learn and start your business. Personal experience, I tried online business by myself back in 2018. I failed because I didn't know what I'm doing. I don't recommend anybody do this by themselves because there's like so much information. So you might be able to do it, but in 4 or 5 years, then who wants to do that?